The meteorologist in my city. It's Tuesday's MadnessCast, and Elsa is coming up the chute. Here we go. It's off the coast of Cuba now, and the eye looks like what I can see on the radar picture. It looks like it's southwest of Key West, and all this thunderstorm action and rain heading up through Key West there. Miami Beach is okay. I know the media is dramatizing everything because of the current situation down there, but for the most part, it's okay. Most of the precipitation is staying well to the west of Miami Beach. Okay, and you can see the tropical moisture starting to bulge northward already. It's already hot, humid north of there, but you can see it's all bulging northward on the satellite picture. Then we have a little front up here that's going to come through severe weather through the New England area up into parts of New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania today, and some storms out here as well, and then bigger storms coming up later this week, which we're going to talk about. Okay, so this is the radar. You can see Elsa down here by Key West. The thunderstorms all on the Gulf Coast states here, and a few thunderstorms up here already this morning coming across parts of New York State, and some back in here. In the middle, it's just hot and sunny. All right, here's a better look at Elsa. Again, this is Miami Beach over in here. You can see most of the rain is in the Keys. It's going to skirt up along, this way, and then the rain area is probably going to be like that. Now Elsa is going to probably stay a tropical storm through its life cycle. Okay, so we're going to talk about Elsa here in a second. So later on this evening, Elsa's going to be up here probably off of Tampa Bay. Fronts could be through here. Severe weather's underway through here. The front's all kind of looping around out here. All right, and the severe weather threat obviously is going to be up here across the northeastern part of the country in New Jersey today, and across Florida with the increasing amounts of Elsa moisture coming up. All right, and this is the squall line that's going to be coming through here. This is off the NAM simulator radar today. You can see the squall line coming through this afternoon and evening, and then more thunderstorms back here through the Great Lakes as well. All right, tomorrow evening, Elsa's up into southern Georgia most likely. This front is still kind of sneaking around up and through here, okay? And there'll be more showers and thunderstorms. Could be some more severe weather up across the northeastern part of the country too. All right. Let's see. All right, here's Elsa this morning. It's not the most organized. It's very kind of lopsided type of storm. When you look at the, I'm going to show you when I was showing the radar, it kind of looks lopsided, and you can see on the satellite picture, a lot of convection is still down through south of Cuba, and some convection is starting to fire up as it's coming up into the Gulf of Mexico. All right, and get rid of that thing. There you go. And if you look at the the radar depiction, it's kind of this elongated area, so it doesn't, and the winds have been about 49 knots, so they're up there, but they're not the best. And Key West has been gusting to 30, 40 knot winds there, so it's roughly 30 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts in Key West. Okay, and this is the path I have coming up here. I had to kind of compromise finally, but it's a little. I just shoved it over a little bit there. But coming up as a tropical storm, probably going to be a depression through here. I don't have a depression symbol. Gets out of the Atlantic, might regain tropical storm status out here in the Atlantic again, and it's going to be moving pretty quickly. So, some people can pick up more than 5 inches of rain, certainly. Especially down in Key West area, there could be 8 inches of rain. There's no, it's not a question, but it's moving pretty fast, and there could be some tornado activity as well on the track here. But it really just comes up. I think South New England, Long Island, New Jersey coast, the Delmarva, you could see some gusty winds on Friday when the thing comes passing by. So don't be surprised if you get some out on the beaches there. It's pretty nasty on the beaches for a little bit. Okay. This is the NAM model's interpretation. Pretty good round storm on Thursday afternoon coming up. Pretty good shield. Could be some severe weather out ahead of it. A rain shield there. But again, if you're in here, this is your heavy rain area. It might be a little further over. But it'll rain pretty intense for about 6 hours, and I'll get out of here. And that'll be it. All right. GFS has landfall tomorrow morning. I think it's right, probably coming around tomorrow morning. And then it comes up off the Mid-Atlantic coast here. And both the European and European and GFS model, they all have it kind of coming up here. So again, if this thing really starts to wind itself up again, you know, Nantucket, Cape Cod, East End and Long Island, you guys could get hammered a little bit by strong winds and heavy rainfall on Friday. All right. Now, switching gears. This is we're going to switch gears to Friday. Well, we got this thing over here. We may see one of these derecho things forming out here in the midsection of the country. So I put a post up about that already, that we could see a pretty extreme event there. So we're kind of looking at that right now in terms of severe weather. And you can see it depicted on the GFS model, a pretty good area of convection out here. So we're going to have to watch and see if that thing really gets going. The retro is one of these windstorms that come through with 70 plus mile an hour wind gusts. So, you know, there's a big jet that's coming across like this. Got the low level jet coming up, and got everything coming in for a pretty good event happening. And then on Saturday, you get some more severe weather out here through the High Valley, back through the southern plain states with this low pressure system that has to come on through. So we got a very active week coming up. A lot happening with severe weather, the heat, humidity, Elsa coming in. So there's a lot happening. So we'll try to keep you up to date on the site, as I always like to do, because, you know, I live, eat, and breathe weather. Alrighty, that's it for now. Meteorologist Herman City.